A weighted average is when we are averaging numbers, but we're giving more importance or more weight to some of the categories that are more important. For example, in the Olympics, harder routines or harder tasks are given more weight to the athlete for a potential higher score. So we use basically a formula of weight, the first weight, times the first value, plus the second weight times the second value, plus as many as you have, weight x, value x, and then we divide all that by the total of all the weights. And this is our weighted average. So this is similar to computing a GPA, where our weight is given a higher value based on the number of credits. So the more credits that a class is worth, the more it will impact a GPA. So let's see, we have an A is worth 4 points. Let me reduce this thickness a little bit. 4 points. A B is worth 3 points. So these are their weights. A C is worth 2 points. A D is only worth 1 point. And an F is worth 0 points. So now consider a student who took math, a 4-credit math class, 4 credits, and scored a B. Of course, they scored a B in math. And then they took a gym class, which is a 1-credit class, and they scored a D. And then let's say a health class, which is a 2-credit class, and they scored a D. And a history class, which is a 3-credit class, and they scored a B. So now if I just looked at B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B without any of the weights, I would say an average of a B and a D is a C, average of a D and a B is a C. So I would think I would have a 2.0 average, which is a C. Now, taking into consideration the weights, let's go with red. So we're going to take our first weight, which is 4 credits, 4 times our B, which is 3 points, plus our D, which is 1 point, times 1 credit, plus our health, which is 2 credits, times our 1 point, plus our history, which is 3 credits, times our B, which is 3 points. And we're going to divide all that up by, let's see, how many credits do we have here? 10 credits. So we have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 10, 22, 24 divided by 10, which gives us a 2.4 GPA. So that GPA is in between a B and a C, whereas if we didn't take the weights into consideration, we would be looking at a 2.0. So That's how a GPA is figured out with a weighted average.